Welcome, of course, to One Prime 20th anniversary. This is Thanksgiving celebration and their Christmas celebration as well. Everyone, each of the person here tonight deserves a very big round of applause. Palakpakan mo natin ang bawat isa. Of course, we want to say hi yung lahat. Let's all greet everybody a Merry Christmas in 1, 2, and 3. Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. And everyone, to formally open the program for everybody joining us for the welcome message, palakpakan po natin. We have, of course, Miss Chris Michal Arieta. Binibigyan.
Good evening, everyone. May gabi sa tanan, and welcome to our 25th anniversary Thanksgiving Christmas party. So, thank you for being here tonight, and actually, nagsugod din kumpanya, no, tungkol sa pangarap sa amo ang parents ni Mama Connie and si Papa Chris. Ug nanikamot sila tungkol sa ilang pangarap, they never stop, and